What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well. In this video, we're looking at some privacy tokens. What's going on for the rally right now? You can see month to date, privacy coins, well, actually on the 7-day period, up 20% still. But what's going on in the crypto markets? There's some big news. Here's one thing for sure. More on that later. But firstly, good old Google Trends. Trustworthy Google Trends, crypto privacy coin search term worldwide, 12-month period. We can see that data is still pretty solid. Like, people are still searching up this term quite a lot, which is a good thing. And yeah, still looking all right here as well. Like in November, it's still a trend. So privacy tokens are still something that people are interested in. It's still a trend. It's still something that could hopefully move further to the upside. Now, just want to talk about some of the top dogs. ZCASH, $583, $9.5 billion market capitalization over here. We can see this token is absolutely flying. It did hit $748 all-time high, which is just crazy. And right now it is trading in this descending triangle. So there's a possibility that it could come down and retest $500 if the rest of the market doesn't pick up, because we do have a lot of fear in the market now, lack of excitement, lack of euphoria. And I do still believe that when bear markets hit, we will see low prices again. Classic 80 to 95% corrections for most of the altcoins out there in the blockchain space. So yeah, ZCASH looking interesting. It is following a structure, a trade structure on technicals, but it still relies on the entirety of the market as well. Now you can see there was a ton of buying pressure here for ZCASH at $530, loads of buying pressure, and it did hit $622 on the 4-hour time frame. So we could close this candle potentially green, but right now it's still looking pretty red, and it's very difficult to say. If you are looking to also acquire privacy tokens or trade them, go long and short, you can get things like ZCASH here on KSEX. The link is right down below where you can trade, have some fun, and you can do it, KYC3, and also you can just have fun here. You can hold, you can buy, you can just use this globally accessible, nice exchange. And they're also giving away $370 of sign-up bonuses at the moment. That is the one and only KSEX that you're seeing right here on the screen. Next coin is Monero XLM. Now, technically, this coin has not. Sorry, I get it always wrong. XMR, Monero, another privacy massive giant, the secure, private, untraceable cryptocurrency that keeps your money confidential. So this is one of the OG blue chip privacy coins in the blockchain space. And technically, this has not hit a market capital all-time high or even price. When you look at ZCASH, it's done the market capital all-time high. It's done the price all-time high. Well, kind of. I don't really count the start. And, XMR has not done it. So if there's any coin that might potentially do it, it could be XMR next, because I think ZCASH maybe is a little bit cooked, but that's my own opinion. Now, of course, it's not financial advice too. Now, $400 here from Monero, or 398, $7.34 billion market cap. We could still potentially go higher here. It is down 10% on the day, like a lot of other coins in the crypto space. But you can see definitely volatility is demonstrated here. So this is also why you don't over leverage, over expose into these coins, because they follow short-term trends in the market that are transient based off human search volume, FOMO, just a mini narrative, a short angle / meta in the market that just kind of happens out of nowhere. And a prime example of this is Dash right now. So Dash obviously had a great run too. It came back up to over $100, actually hit $140, but it's already down 40% since then. Looking at the market capital on the all-time high data, we're nowhere near the 2017 tops. And as price goes as well, because of incredible token emissions and token dilution on the token structure, we're not getting ever, probably in my opinion, back to $1,400. But, it's still cool. And when you look at the month-on-month performance, it still reflected gains. And, we're not always just looking at a coin that we're going to hold for 5 years. Sometimes you want to get into that opportunity whilst it's hot, like a shark. You get in and then you get out. You just do your thing. The Dash is digital cash designed to offer financial freedom to everyone. Payments are instant, easy, and secure. So yeah, really, you got these three sort of OG privacy coins, these Dino altcoins, ZCASH, Monero, and Dash. There are others, of course, that could potentially kick off. Like one I was looking at recently is PEPE, but this has dropped also quite a lot since it made some recent moves. And, it's a really volatile space, so it's very difficult to say for sure what's going to happen. One thing I will say though, guys, please do join the Discord. It's free to join, completely free. Imagine, free. Something is free in 2025. Yeah, it's free. You can just check it out, hang out with the crypto people, have a good chat, and, you know, just enjoy yourselves with like-minded individuals. And here was the crazy thing from Shalaka Anselm Pereira. Cash dies in 847 days. Europe just legislated the end of financial freedom and nobody noticed. Today, January 2027, every euro above 10,000 euros becomes a legal tender. So this is obviously some big news. You can research that yourselves in the background. But yeah, just insane. And more so, the requirement for privacy surges yet again. And it's just crazy. It's crazy. What else is going on? Well, if you guys are looking for resources, education, insights in the blockchain markets, the Patreon is there down below for you to provide these insights to help you grow in the space, providing signals, education, analysis, resources, and more. It's all there for you to have a look at. Now, the most popular category is the crypto legend, but you don't have to get that. You can save money and go for the champion or the warrior or even the waiver. Or if you really want to save as much as possible, but still have some benefits, you got Hunter and Degen, which are the absolute lowest. So yeah, just thought I'd say thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe, like, comment. We'll see you very soon. Hit the notification bell, and every single view, every like, every comment really helps. So please do help push the video. Bye-bye.